You're probably watching this video because you want to know more about affiliate marketing, or you want to promote your product, or you want to know more about the Seller platform. Hi there, welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, today we're talking about affiliate marketing, and I'll be taking you through the Seller platform. Affiliate marketing is just you standing as a middleman between the buyer and the seller, and at the end of the purchase, you're getting a commission. O- Okay, just as you refer your friends and colleagues to get items or products online, so also it is here in affiliate marketing. The only difference is that you are getting paid for every product you're able to get a buyer for. You understand? You're getting paid for every product that is being purchased under your link. And these commissions are being specified by the seller of the product on the product. And in this affiliate marketing, you're going to be promoting digital products. That's online product, not physical product now, digital product. Products like courses, ebooks, and the likes. And the interesting thing is that affiliate marketing can be done anywhere you are, be it at school, be it at work, be it at home. All you just need is a working smartphone and a good mobile network and 1 or 2 hours of your time. That's all. Okay, you ask who can be an affiliate marketer. Anybody can be an affiliate marketer. Be you a stay-at-home mom, a student, a 9 to 5 worker, or you all can be an affiliate marketer. It can be done as a part-time job or a full-time job depending on your schedule. And you may ask where you get these customers. Okay, basically, from your social media handle, you can get your customers. Your Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, TikTok. Okay, now we'll be looking at Seller. Seller is an online platform that allows you promote your product or other people's product online. Seller has a wide range of products you can personally promote, and it has the least amounts when it comes to registration fees. So right now we'll be heading out to Seller so that I can show you how you can promote people's product and get a commission, or how you can also promote your own personal products and get paid. So now we're going to log into seller.co. So if you have not registered, you come over here to register. So you just allow it load. You have to put an email, input your email, your full name, your password, then you create an account. I already have an account, so I won't create any. So you click here. Once you have created your account, click on start selling. So let me just log in. You can see it over here, customers profile. So we have a range of products you can choose from physical product, digital product, tickets, subscription, service, courses. These are for customers. Understand? These are for customers. And but us we want to go to affiliate profile. So that's where you see what you can promote. Okay, this is my affiliate profile. So I click on get started. Okay, this is my affiliate profile as you can see, and there are different products for me to choose from to promote. But before you can get here, you have to have registered. You would have paid a specific amount before you can be allowed to affiliate or log into the seller platform. So see, there are ranges of different products I can promote. You can see it. Then it's up to you to pick a particular type of product, whether it's wealth and finance, business product, content and media, professional, art and craft, home and office, electronic gadgets, lifestyle, marketing and sales, software and tech, faith, automobile, health. There are different kind of product you can promote. Let me open this wealth and finance so you see. Okay, these are the products under wealth and finance. You can see them. So you have to just pick a particular product that you're interested in, that you know you can actually promote and get people to buy. So once you have gotten that product, what you want to do next is to open the product. You get link, click on get link. Then you have to wait for you to get a link. So this is your special link that you have to promote. You can post it on your social media platforms. Once a buyer clicks on that link, it will direct them automatically to the product. And once the buyer makes payments for that particular product, you are going to earn a commission for it. You understand now? You're earning a commission. So this is 2000 and the commission is about 35%. So if you calculate, you know how much that is. And this is Forex money. This is an ebook and the commission is 45%. So if you calculate 45% of 49,000, you know how much that is. So that's just it. That's it about being an affiliate marketer. So you have to learn how to promote products. Once you can get buyers, you'll be earning daily earnings. That's just it. And if you want to promote your own personal product or ebook or course, come here, click dashboard, then change to creators profile. Okay, this is creators profile. I have one product already. So you can decide you want to add a product. What kind of product you want to add? Digital product. Let's click on digital product. Creators profile, where you can create your own product. Here you have to drag or import from your phone system or wherever. Then you have to input the name of your product. Then here you can write the amount you want the product to be selling for. Original price, and okay, you are running a sales promo. Then you strike out the old price. So you write the original price over here and write the new price here. Then the original price will be struck out. You understand? Then here you can just write a few details about your product here. And here you have to write a category. What category does your product belong to? Is it software, professional, lifestyle, or is it related to faith, related to health and fitness, wealth and finance, and the rest? And here you specify the kind of product that you are promoting, that you want to create: physical, digital, tickets, subscription services, and the rest. Okay, is this a pre-order product? You signify here. You select a category for your product store. So you are giving buyers access to your file. So you signify if it's a downloadable file or a PDF. You understand? Then here you drag your product If your file is a course or ebook or downloadable music related file, you drag it from wherever it is, then drop it here. Then if you want to redirect the buyer to external links, you click here and impute your link. After that, you click on create product. That's just it. And if you have not created the course or the file that you want to upload, it's pretty minimize. Sorry, go to WPS office. So you click add, then you go to new presentation. Then you import your files. You import your files, or you want to write it, then you can start writing it. So this is it. So you can start by typing your title, then maybe if there's a subtitle or a table of content you want to write, you can click. So you can create one. So you can create multiple pages with this. So here is my own personal. Okay. So here is my own personal products on affiliate marketing. So the title is Blueprint for Success, Affiliate Marketing ebook. So this is the first page with the title. Then here is what is about. This is what is about, what knowledge you actually gain from it. The third page contains the different courses and links. Most of the videos actually. So the links will be dropped here. So once you download the ebook or the course and you click on this link, you'll be directed to the videos and you can watch and understand it. The ones that are book related that you have to read, you can also click on the link and it will be directed to the books. Okay, it's already in your document. After creating it, you go back to your browser. Now you have to look for the file here. So for me, it is in my documents. So I click on documents. Okay, so this is it. All I have to do is just to import it. So we can see it's here. So that's just it. That's just it. So this is it. This is my product. So you can view, you can edit it, you can view public link, view sales. You can publish it to affiliate network so that other affiliates can promote the ebook or course for you. But you will need to upgrade to a pro or turbo plan to actually access this affiliate network. So other affiliates will promote your product for you. You understand? So once it's saved here and edit it, if I want to change anything on my product, I just click on this edit. So as it was previously, so this is my product image. This is the title. This is the sales original price, which was being slashed. So this is a few insights into what the ebook is about. Then it's under personal and professional development, self-development. So this is so I've given the buyer access to my file so you can download it. Once you download it, you have access to it to read anytime you want to and use anytime you want to. So if there's any correction I want to do here, I'll do after doing it, then I'll update it. Then the product will. So after all the correction and everything, or after pasting your products, you can view it. Just click on the link. So this is it. This is my product. So after you have done everything, this is how it will appear. So you can see it here. The original amount slashed to the new amount by now. So a few details. Then you'll be allowed, or your customers will be allowed to give few reviews about the product. So that's just it. That's just how to use seller.co to promote other people's product and also promote your own product. And before you do this, you have to register on seller platform, and you have to register with a minimum amount of 2,000 naira to be able to access the seller platform. And if this video has been helpful to you, please like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any questions, drop it at the comment section below. Thanks.